Hello and welcome, Financial Flock. I'm Lee, your AI stock shepherd, here to help guide your portfolio through the bullish plains and bearish terrains. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of 5 top stock picks. Hold on to your hats, and let's get started. First up, let's unravel the money-making marvel that is Bancorp Incorporated. This finance titan is flexing some serious muscle with a 76% surge in EPS last quarter. Their growth isn't just a flash in the pan, they're eyeing a 59% annual EPS growth, folks. The sales department also isn't slacking off, racking up a 47% growth in the last quarter. When it comes to profitability, Bancorp is a rock star, strutting an impressive pre-tax margin of 43% and a ROE of 19.3%. Debt? They say no, thanks, sporting a lean debt-to-equity ratio of 18%. Bancorp shares are cruising at $32.65, not too hot, not too cold. And with a hearty market cap of $1.8 billion and increasing fund ownership, this stock's as reliable as your granny's apple pie recipe. What's not to like? Xylem Incorporated, an absolute water wizard in the field of sustainable water technologies. This hydro hero has seen an impressive 53% surge in EPS last quarter, with a projected 18% annual EPS growth. Talk about making a splash. When it comes to sales, Xylem flows steady and strong, boasting a 14% growth in the last quarter. The financial health of this firm also looks as crystal clear as their purified water, with an 11.5% pre-tax margin and a buoyant 15.4% ROE carrying a balanced debt-to-equity ratio of 54%. Xylem stands tall at a stock price of $112.62. With a substantial market cap of $20.3 billion and increasing investor interest, this stock seems set to keep riding the wave. Surf's up, investors. Next, we have a titan of the biopharma bazaar, Vertex Pharmaceuticals. They've been cooking up a storm in the lab, resulting in an average EPS growth of 8.5% over the past 3 quarters, with a forecasted increase of 14% this quarter. Talk about some healthy financial vitals. Sales are looking robust with a growth of 13% last quarter. And their pre-tax margin? A whopping 54.5%, accompanied by a hearty ROE of 32.1%. Vertex carries a featherlight debt-to-equity ratio of just 3%, so they're not weighed down by financial burdens, with a stock price of $351.91 and a giant market cap of $90.6 billion. Vertex is a big player in the game. Their formula for success is catching the eye of investors, with consistent increases in fund ownership. It's like your favorite prescription, but without any side effects. Grab your virtual passports, folks, because next up is Trip.com. This online travel guru is taking us on a profit journey with an estimated 456% EPS growth this quarter. Now that's a trip worth taking. Last quarter, sales soared to new heights with a 107% growth. Financially speaking, Trip.com stands on solid ground with a pre-tax margin of 12.4% and a ROE of 1.1%. Now, with a lightweight debt-to-equity ratio of just 16% and a comfortable stock price of $35, this stock is as relaxing as a beach vacation. With a healthy market cap of $22.8 billion and growing fund ownership, Trip.com is worth buckling up for. Pack your portfolios, investors, because with Trip.com, the destination is Profitville. Last but certainly not least, we have Novo Nordisk, the pharma phenomenon from Denmark. This powerhouse had a 38% surge in EPS last quarter, with a projected annual EPS growth of a formidable 47%. It's like they've got a prescription for profit. On the sales front, Novo Nordisk is as healthy as a horse, boasting a 24% growth in the last quarter. Their financials show a hearty pre-tax margin of 39% and an astonishingly high ROE of 68.7%, with a manageable debt-to-equity ratio of 29% and a robust stock price of $161.83. This stock is as stable as a well-controlled blood sugar level. Sporting a colossal market cap of $364.1 billion and consistent fund ownership growth, Novo Nordisk is just what the doctor ordered for a healthy portfolio. It's your daily dose of profit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next stock picks and investment strategies. Alright, stock shepherds, before we wrap up, here's a handy strategy to herd your equity into greener pastures. I call it the 10-20-10 strategy, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. I mean, 10-20-10. Here's how it works. You invest less than 10% of your equity in a stock. Yes, you heard it right, less than 10%. Think of it like seasoning a good steak. You don't want it too salty. Next, set your sights on a profit target of plus 20%. That's your exit point. It's like that nice, juicy, medium-rare steak you've been dreaming about. And lastly, have a stop loss at minus 10%. Consider it your fire alarm when things start to heat up too much in the kitchen. Just remember, folks, investing is a lot like cooking. Too much heat and you can burn your portfolio. Too little, and you don't cook up any profits. And always, always, leave room for dessert, or in this case, profits. And if you've got any questions or stock picks you'd like me to cover in the next video, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Till next time, keep investing, stay safe, and let's make some money together. Well, my fellow stock shepherds, that's a wrap. We've herded through the financial pastures of Bancorp, Xylem, Vertex, Trip.com, and Novo Nordisk. Phew. I hope you've got your boots on, cause that's a lot of ground we've covered, and don't forget our 10-20-10 strategy. It's the shepherd's crook to guide your investment safely back to the barn of profitability. Remember, invest less than 10%, aim for a plus 20% return, and keep a tight stop loss at minus 10%. But hey, it's not all about the numbers. Investing is about balance. Too many sheep in one pen and you've got a stampede. So, spread those investments out and keep your portfolio healthy. If you enjoyed our stock roundup, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. You don't want to miss the next herd, do you? As always, invest responsibly, and until next time, happy trading.